Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Trend of the Week video. This week's Trend of the Week is give them the cash. Them is shareholders, and the exhortation is going out to the CEOs who run oil and gas producers. This is a chart for PXD, Pioneer Natural Resources. They're a big Permian Basin oil and natural gas producer. They were down here when we had a pullback in oil prices, back up here, up about a 1 percentage point today. And they're kind of the poster child for this trend. They announced earnings yesterday, $7.74 a share in earnings for the quarter. That was above the $7.32 expected by Wall Street. What's really important here is that that's $7.34 this year, same quarter of 2021, $1.77. So huge shift. It's $6 a share. The revenue went up to $6.17 billion from $2.44 billion in 2021. The company had announced a kind of two-tier dividend. One is they had a core dividend, and the others they said we have a fluctuating dividend that will depend on how much cash flow we make. Well, as you imagine, in this quarter, there's a lot of cash flow, so the dividend is $7.38 a share. Dividend last year for this quarter was 78 cents. If you annualize that dividend, it comes out to a yield of about 11.68%. But what's key to this, and what the trend is that it depends upon no more drilling. We're not going to increase our capital spending. And you've had CEOs coming out saying, not even if oil hits $200 a barrel are we going to increase spending. It's hard to figure out, exactly when this big boom in oil prices ends with, you don't know what's going to happen in the Ukraine war. You know that there's pressure to decrease use of fossil fuels, so there's some pressure on demand. We may be looking at a recession. So none of these things make oil companies and natural gas companies really want to spend. But if they stick to their guns, keep returning cash to shareholders, you're going to see a lot of pops of dividends. You're going to see pops of dividends. We're seeing one from ConocoPhillips. We're seeing Equinor, the big Norwegian oil company, sitting there and going, gee, you know what? We're like Scrooge McDuck. We can go swimming in our cash, but we really ought to get rid of some of it. So I think you're going to see big dividend increases structured like the one at Pioneer, so that you have a core dividend and then a fluctuating dividend depending on cash flow after that. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we're doing more. We're doing about 3 a week, but not always on the same day. If you want to see more of my stuff, go to jubakpicks.com. It's my free site. If you want more, as in 6 portfolios instead of 3, you can go to my paid site. That's jubakam.com, and all those links are down below. Thanks very much for watching.